We stood right where the road split. A choice was made, the moment passed. A future faded, incomplete. A silent promise built too fast. And in the quiet,
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए गाड़ी संख्या 134
soft and low. I traced the lines you drew in sand before the tide just washed them clean. Felt like I held it in my hand, the shape of something we had been. And in the quiet after you, the echoes linger soft and low of a question I will never know. Just empty space upon the air, where understanding wasn't found. The echoes fade away. The echoes soft and low, never know. Maybe the answer isn't.
As this poses a fire hazard, notify your cabin crew immediately to ensure the safe retrieval of the device.
Where wasn't found. The echoes